Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW X3 guys and you need to disconnect your fuel line. Stay with us guys, we will cover very helpful information. You must stay until the end guys so we can avoid accidents, and we're going to talk about that as we go. Now, if you're missing the special tool that you need to use actually to remove that fuel line, we'll explain what else you can use instead. That way you don't have to do any damage to your fuel line or fuel rail as well. Well, we are making this video because many of you requested in the comment section below. So, doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 6 cylinder gasoline engine, the procedure will be very similar and it may even help on some diesel engines as well guys. So, we'll cover that as we go. We'll be demonstrating on N52 engine. It's been used in multiple BMWs, but pretty much the procedure guys should apply to almost any newer BMW between year guys, I think 2004 and year all the way to year 2015 for specific models. So let me show you what we'll be doing here. All the tools and parts that we use, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. If you need to buy anything, you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let me show you what we have here and what we'll be working on. Specifically guys, this is N52 engine. It can be found in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, multiple BMWs. In order to get to the fuel line, often you need to remove your engine cover on top. You may have different designs, so we will not explain that, but if you have a fuel line that looks like that, we'll explain guys, okay, how to do that. But before we start, let me tell you one thing guys. Check this channel out, How to Repair guys. This is our main YouTube channel guys that we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars guys. Now, before you start, for safety guys, wear gloves and eye protection. Another thing, number 3, disconnect your car battery guys. Why? For 2 reasons. You want to avoid open spark, flames, anything like that, and having the electrical system connected to the car battery can lead to a spark. So disconnect the car battery. The second reason to do that is because the fuel system on a BMW often is a self-bleeding system. What that means? It means that if you open, actually guys, okay, if you open your driver door or the system actually doesn't detect you have enough pressure in the fuel rail, what will happen? It will activate the pump for a couple of seconds, and if that happens, you're actually going to spray fuel anywhere, and when you disconnect the hose, that can happen and it can cover you with fuel. So disconnect the car battery. On modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you reconnect and disconnect first. If you don't do it the correct way, you can cause damage to your electrical system and burn engine computer modules and things like that. We did it in the past and it cost us guys, okay, it cost us about $2,000 in the past for a mistake like that. And if you want to see the correct way to reconnect and disconnect car battery, check out, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. What you need to do now, let me explain quick guys. Okay, that line, you can see how it moves back and forth. Push it all the way in, and that tool that's installed on the line, that blue thing, push it in the line while you're pushing the line in, and then both of them start disconnecting them. So you get the idea. This thing needs to be pushed all the way in and you start pulling the line out. It needs to jump that lip, okay, it's going to come out. This is the rack that we're catching extra fuel. Usually you spray quite a bit of fuel, but we removed ours already, so that way minimize spraying fuel, so I don't want to cover the camera with fuel. But if you have a fuel leak, it's often because you have a wore out a ring on the inside and you need to replace the line. It connects on the other side, you have one more connector, and pretty much you can replace that thing guys. But if that ring is broken, what you can use instead guys, you can use one of those. For instance, you can get the blue one and you install it, okay, like that on the line. Check it out how it spreads, okay, and you're going to install it on the line, and you're going to use that tool to compress those springs inside to be able to actually remove that line. So you get the idea. Hopefully guys the video will be very helpful. When you're ready to reconnect it, it's pretty simple. You just grab, push until you hear that click. Perfect. Pull it a couple times, make sure it doesn't come out. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.